Hey all, welcome to this video. In this video I will walk you through on how to use the Easy Silverlight's Unity package to save and load your game data. So this Easy Silverlight package is like a player prefs wrapper with some additional methods. Right here on my screen is the documentation site for this package. The link is in the description of this video. Using this package, you are able to save and load your game data, as well as check for existence of data and then operations like clearing of data. Those methods available in player prefs if you've ever used player prefs to handle saving and loading of your game data. This is what this package does. Then with some additional methods. So whenever you deploy your project, let's say your project is near to completion, maybe you would want to deploy your project. Of course, you can use this package to handle the saving and loading of data, and everything will work as usual, like how player prefs works. You know, the location for saving data, everything, just the way player prefs works. This is how this works. That's if you are deploying to platforms like Windows, Android, iOS. But if you are deploying for WebGL, this is where this package comes in handy. So recall I mentioned earlier that this package uses player prefs API internally to save and load game data, as well as it includes some other operations if you are building for WebGL, and also to sites such as Itch. So if you have ever uploaded a game on the Itch website and you were also performing saving and loading of data in the project or in the game, yes, as far as the game exists on your site, the save data will always be valid. But what if you have something to update on the game and you decide to re-upload? You will notice that whenever you upload the latest build, the previous save contents of the old build will get deleted. So this is where this package comes very in handy. So instead of deleting the previous data, it retains them. How does that happen? It stores the data in the browser's local storage. Of course, this is not the best approach, but you are able to retain your previous data as far as you still have the same project or game name. So like I previously mentioned, assuming you hosted your game on sites like Itch or Facebook, and you were using player prefs to handle saving and loading of data, and every time you upload the latest build to those sites, your save data gets erased, then check out this post by Chris Truman on the Unity's discussion website. The link is in the description of this video. So to install this package, copy this URL. It's located on the docs site. You can find it in the description of this video. Copy this URL inside your Unity project. Navigate to the package manager, add package from git URL, then paste the copied URL inside this box and hit on add. Then wait for the package to get installed. So I've just installed the package. If you notice, there is a menu option available titled Racer. So click on the menu option Easy Silverlight. Then before you hit on import WebGL Save Plugin, ensure your project is your build player is set to WebGL or the build platform. So after that, hit on import WebGL Save Plugin. Then wait for some time for this symbol to get defined. So it's done. If you notice in your assets folder, there is this folder that got created, Easy Silverlight. So this is the package's dependency. It must be available before you build your project. So I have this sample project that uses this package's API to save and load data. I'll try and build it for WebGL and deploy it to each website so as to demonstrate how this package works. So let's build and run. the build just got completed and the game is running right away. I'll hit space to increment my score as well as the high score. Now inspecting on the browser's local storage, you will notice that the high score is being saved there. So I will refresh the page to see whether it's still there. So it's the same thing. Then heading to my each website, my game page on each, I will do the same. I will increment the high score as well as the score. Notice it's the high score that is only saved, not the score. Inspecting the browser's local storage, you will notice the high score is still there. So sample high score, the name of the project is sample. Then what's being saved is high score. So refreshing the game again on each side, still the same value. So I'll try and re-upload the game. So I will delete this build and upload it again. So sample as the project name, same project name, make sure the project name is the same. Then heading back to the game page, and I'll run the game. Let's inspect the browser's local storage. As you can see, the high score is still there with the value 15 and the project name sample. As you can see, the same value. So to remove this package, it's that simple. Just navigate to this menu option racer, easy saver light, and hit on remove package. So this is the recommended approach for removing this package. As you can see, the folder that got created previously has been deleted and everything is clean as before. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching and good luck on your projects.